Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Alex and I will try to teach you chess. We will start from basic concepts of chess and move on to advanced stuff like analyzing chess games and solving hard chess puzzles. What is chess? Chess is a recreational and competitive game that is played between two players on a checkered board. The pieces on the board move according to precise rules, and the main objective of the game is to put the opponent's king under a direct threat from where escape is possible. Why to learn chess? Chess activates and engages both hemispheres of the brain, making it a knowledge game. While playing chess, your brain is challenged to develop logical reasoning skills, pattern recognition skills, as well as make decisions based on the position of the pieces on the board. Another reason is that chess makes you more creative. There was a study conducted in India where researchers divided students into two groups. The first group was trained in chess and the second wasn't. After a while, researchers asked students to come up with alternative uses of common objects and to interpret patterns. The first group scored higher than the second, so researchers concluded that chess is able to boost your creativity skills. Another reason is that chess helps you focus. As chess grandmaster Bobby Fischer said, chess demands total concentration. Any chess player can plan like a grandmaster for 30 moves ahead, but he can get distracted on the 31st move, make a blunder and cost him the game. According to this and to my personal experience, chess needs 100% of your focus. If you ever see chess tournaments, you will see that there is as much silence as there can be, so that the players don't get distracted by sounds or anything else. The only downside is that chess needs time to become an expert at. I've been playing chess from 8 or 9 years old, and I still am not an expert. To achieve grandmaster level skill, you'll have to practice deliberately and sometimes alone in order to reap the benefits of chess. Grandmasters and players who excel at the game, they have invested hours and hours of study over the years to become grandmasters. Anyway, these are some reasons to learn chess. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video where we will start analyzing the pieces and the board. Thank you. Goodbye.